friends, welcome to our ABC Adventures. Today we are going on a journey to learn 26 letters of the alphabet and their sounds. Can you read with me? Let's learn phonics A to Z. Apple. Baby. C. Carrot. D. Doctor. Envelope. F. Flower. God. H. Hat. I. Insect. Jug. Kitten. Lemon. Mirror. Noodles. O. Orange. P. Park. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Snowman. T. Tree. U. Umbrella. V. Village. W. Window. X. X-ray. Y.